How to change YouTube layout back to normal. It's a straightforward process that you can easily follow along with us right now. First, go to Google and search for Chrome Store in the search bar. Open the first website, chromewebstore.google.com. Now search for YouTube Redux in the Chrome Web Store using the search bar. Click and open the YouTube Redux extension. YouTube Redux allows you to easily switch back to the old YouTube layout on your PC. Click on Add to Chrome here, and then click on Add Extension. After completing the installation, you'll see a preview of the possible modifications. If you want to customize the layout or make any other changes, the decision is completely up to you. Let us quickly show you what the updated layout looks like. Open a new tab and go to youtube.com to see the updated version of YouTube. It's like a walk down memory lane with the old layout on your screen, showcasing smaller thumbnails, compact text, and displaying more videos at once. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Thanks for watching.